In the devices you purchase from the Joy Market site, the device's connections are of the fitting or quick connect type. By quick, it means that you can easily connect the hose and other connections to this connector without needing to use screws and bolts. That's why it's called a quick connection, and it seals easily, which is used in all devices as you can see. For the tank outlet, you need to use this filter. There is a fitting that connects through the tank valve installed on the tank, and with a hose cut to the length you need, you connect it to this fitting to supply water from your tank. On the sewage part, there is also a cap. That is a quick connect type, which you attach to your city sewage system. Naturally, for the outlet and the purified or ready-to-use water, you remove this connection and attach the hose to the faucet on the sink. Alongside the package sent to you for installing the device, the main filter of the purification device, which is the reverse osmosis membrane filter, is also separately placed in the box. You must ensure that the membrane filter is correctly placed inside the housing or the specific membrane compartment, so that when you open the membrane housing lid to insert the filter inside the membrane housing, the black washer should be facing the lid. Place the membrane filter, ensuring it is fully inserted, into the compartment, and then securely close the membrane filter housing lid again. Note that the membrane filter is made from a special technology paper with very fine pores, and under no circumstances should charcoal particles from the second filter enter these pores. Why? Because this will clog the membrane, and not only will it fail to perform the filtration process, but it could even make it worse. Therefore, you must always take care of the membrane filter, and if it's time to replace your device's filters, make sure you are replacing the filter correctly, meaning you have drained the black water and prevented it from entering the membrane's pores. The membrane chamber has one inlet and two outlets. The inlet comes after the pre-filtration filters, meaning after the 3 stages of filtration are completed, the water enters the membrane filter. We have 2 outlets. One is the filtered water in the middle of the sensitive and reverse membrane, and the other is the wastewater, which is discharged through this component. It needs to be connected to the wastewater system. I'll show you this up close. Look at the drain component or the wastewater capsule of the device. Despite its simple appearance, it performs a very important function. A number is written on it. The number 300 means that it only allows 300 milliliters of water to exit per minute, which means the pressure behind the membrane is maintained. For a home water purification device, we should use a drain with a flow of 300. The direction indicated on it shows the direction of water flow, so the output of the membrane housing should be connected to the input of the drain, and the output of the drain. In this way, through the hose, it goes to your municipal sewage system in the required amount and length. The method of working with the fittings is such that when you place or remove the hose or cap on the device, to remove it, you must press this ring around the housing inward to release it. Many people mistakenly pull this part out forcefully and do not press it, which causes damage to the filtering component of this device.